Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel, Label Vlogs. Here we are again guys. We'll go around in this place. Tingnan po natin because this time the Japan is the autumn already. So we can see there, wow, the leaves is falling down. They call it the autumn. The autumn leaves. Okay guys, let's see. And I'm going to walk going to the place that many trees so that you can see the different kinds of trees and the colors is changed into orange, yellow, red and pink. So guys, let's see and watch for me. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay guys, again we're here in this place going to Okayama University College University. So we can see another color of the trees is yellow. So we can see on the sky. So makikita po natin iba-ibang color ng trees. Napakaganda po ng kulay ng kanyang leaves. So they are falling leaves. So guys, of course before that guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, Label Vlogs. And of course, don't forget to push or pindutin yung bell so that next time my next video na upload para niyo ulit makita yung aking new videos. And of course, don't forget to comment below. And just to say hello, I'm here, Cherry, Label Vlogs. Thank you for sharing your videos. And thank you again in advance, guys, for watching my videos. Always, okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel here in YouTube channel. Thank you guys again. Come on, let's walk again at samahan niyo ako, okay? Okay guys, we're here walking from my house going to this place is very near lang. So I've just walked. Of course, I bring my bike, so pinark ko muna. So just to walk kasi parang ang ganda talaga ng panahon pati. It's a sunny but it's cold. Okay guys, let's walk and I'm going to show you ito po ganito sa kanila pagka wow again. Month of November, nag-start po yung ganitong kulay ng mga dahon nila. Okay? So, hinawakan ko yung mga dahon just I'm playing kasi yes, nakakatuwa, 'di ba? Here, kasi sa atin sa Philippines walang ganito. So, okay, guys. Tingnan niyo po ang ganda ng mga trees, 'di ba? Actually, guys, pagdating talaga ng ganitong panahon, month of November, nagiging ganito po ang kanilang mga trees. After that, lahat yan malalagas, magiging dry up before December. Okay, so this time is the best time if you want to go to Japan. Month of November is cold but warm, hindi pa masyadong malamig, pero mafe-feel nyo na po yung ginaw. Okay guys, if you want to come to Japan, just tell me. Who knows, pwede ko kayo dito i-tour. Okay guys, please watch again my videos and samahan niyo po ako. Let's walk over there. Diretso lang po ng diretso. So, makikita niyo pa yung iba-ibang kulay ng trees. Okay?
Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel, Label Vlogs. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa may Okayama Daigaku. It's Okayama College University. So, we can see here, maganda ng trees kasi it's a falling leaves. So, it means malapit na mag-winter. So, bago niya mag-winter, of course, autumn muna. So, nakikita natin, nag-change ang kanilang mga dahon here. So, tingnan nyo guys, napakaganda ng place dito. So, here we are again guys. I'll show you here in Japan. And this is it. This is the leaves. See? Iba ang kulay ng dahon. So, they call it the falling leaves. Okay guys. Thank you again for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel here in Label Vlogs. See you again guys soon for my next vlog. Bye!